Hello everybody. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Relive app. You will enter to settings. Then you will go to this window of apps. Here in this list you will scrolling down until you find the application of Relive here, and you will click. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here in this page we click on clear cache. Then you can turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again to fix the problem. So please don't forget